I got sort of, I would say, attacked by a wedding party I was taking my mum out in Dublin, and we were like, the restaurant we planned to go to was completely booked out. We couldn't get in there. So we were like just walking down the street, and we tried another restaurant where there was this wedding happening. Suddenly the whole wedding party came out because the bride was a big Bad Sisters fan, and they were like, "It's all right, we'll take care of your mum," and like brought her under like a canopy kind of thing, so I could like take pictures with the bride and like a very insistent bridesmaid who kept trying to tell me the story of when she met me in a toilet 10 years ago.